Well, this video is to help the MPH student who's completing their capstone paper write your outline. Now, the outline is not a compliance exercise merely to make me happy. The outline is really the heart of your paper, and it's where you are going to make the case in a very tight way, which then, as you're writing, you will develop even further. We call it an elaborated outline because you will be making very plain your sources, it basically goes in three parts. You define your problem, and you're going to spend probably about a page or more doing that in the outline. And that refers to use the guidance for that. The second piece is to show your analysis of, first of all, you'll contextualize it within a bigger framework, and show your analysis of why the problem that you're focusing on is the correct one among all the possible contributors to the major issue. And you're going to back that up, obviously, with a lot of research. And then the third part of your paper really focuses, although we have five parts of the paper on the listed on the capstone project final paper general guidance, but I guess I'm talking conceptually that there are three main parts. So the third part is bringing it home, really laying out your proposal, making an argument and defending it. Defending it means, again, research, supportive research to back your claims, and then proposing implementation, and then testing the implementation by really exploring in your outline the threats the possible threats to your implementation and how you will get around them. If you saw the first video, you remember that I said that I really write densely and sometimes obscure the particular power of a single phrase that I'm using. So what I'd like to suggest is that I've reviewed the one-pager that I prepared for you, the guidance that has the steps in it. If you take and if you explode each of the seemingly rhetorical questions that I ask in on the page and each of the points, explode them as you would an outline. Just put spaces and indents on them. You'll see a pretty good outline of what your outline should be like. For example, we want to know what makes this a situation of public health importance. So that could be a category for you, one of the subheadings. We want to know the evidence. It says the evidence shows that these are the major causes of my problem, and I choose to focus on this one because, and then the because is an elaboration. You elaborate that. Another one is how do analogous situations, what do analogous or precedential situations influence what it is you're recommending? Well, that's, even though it appears here as a kind of you may think it's a toss-away clause, that's a really good subheading in your outline. So, in brief, maybe too late for in brief, but your elaborated outline will answer or address most of these points that are in the written guidance. And take your time. Remember that you're defending a position that you've taken, and that a good defense means a solid logical argument. And that's also why I've posted several resources about logic within within the Blackboard site. So use the resources. Look at all of those. They're there because people have had questions or difficulties that we seek to address through them. So good luck with your outline, and I think you'll really find and like what you. So good luck with your outline, and you and I will both enjoy reading and learning from it.